Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update and then over here if you see retry option, hit retry and then install. Still not working. The next step is to go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can install the update. Still not working. Run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then run the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version first, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Here in my case the version is 25H2, and then check your system type, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Click on download and then click on KB5083769 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then update. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and let it download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked, hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.